Hope you find the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? And did you have to pay that fine that you were dodging all the time? Are you still busy? Seems I've come home. Well, my body's been a mess, and I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you do, and in my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I've come home, oh, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie?
Fantastisch, Cézanne met Valerie. Ik maak heel snel tijd, ruimte en plaats voor Marimo Maju naar het nieuws van 11 uur, hoor. Maar ik wil eerst even iedereen die er was bedanken vandaag. Cézanne, dankjewel om hier te zijn. Sherine, dankjewel. Nabil, merci. Sitze, merci. Pianisten, gitaristen, fantastisch. Iedereen die gekeken heeft via de Facebookpagina van The Voice of Vlaanderen. Iedereen die geluisterd heeft via G-Music. Dankjewel en tot volgende week. Bye bye.